Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on the TV and placing your headphones into pairing mode. This initiates discovery. Once done, make sure the TV's source is idle so it can scan. If the TV lacks built-in Bluetooth, plug in a compatible transmitter into USB 3, 5mm, or optical, then set that transmitter to pairing. You do this now because discovery windows are short and multiple devices cause conflicts. Preparing both ends avoids repeated attempts and speeds the process. Once the TV is scanning, you select the headphones when they appear, because selection finalizes the link. If prompted for a PIN, use 0000 or check the manual. This authenticates the connection. After pairing, change the TV's audio output explicitly to the Bluetooth device. Some TVs pair but continue using TV speakers until output is set. Make sure to test with short content and start volume low. This verifies both connection and latency, so you can adjust lip sync, or you finish by confirming stable audio and configuring any delay compensation. This fixes lip sync issues. If audio drops or pairing fails, power cycle the TV and headphones, then repair. Simple restarts clear temporary Bluetooth glitches. Also move closer, within about 10 because interference and walls reduce signal strength. If problems persist, update the TV firmware or reset the headphones. These steps address compatibility bugs and stored device conflicts. One key tip: repair after firmware updates to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.